Hey, welcome to Fanatical Side Rider. It's Monday, April 3rd or 4th. And anyways, I'm up here in Nephton Mines, right on the trails today, a bunch of us, and looking forward to it. It's been a while since we've been here. It's pretty windy out here, so hopefully I don't have too much wind noise. But I'm gonna head back to the parking lot. We're still waiting on a couple people, and we'll be hitting the trails and we'll bring you along. Hey everyone, I'm just doing a bit of narrating in this video. It's a little different, and this was a really good ride, and you're going to see that we came across quite a bit of deer throughout our ride and lots of good scenery. And I'm going to show you different things, like different shots of the deer throughout the video, so don't go away. If you like seeing deer, you're going to see a lot of cool shots. And the trails were icy, as you can see right here. And I'm doing a good speed. It doesn't look like I am on the video, but I had to be careful as well because it didn't take much for the side-by-side to whip out and head towards trees and that. So coming up right here, real soon, you're going to see a couple deer on a flooded area like a pond. There they are, just running through, those white tails up in the air. Really cool to see. You can see there's a lot of snow left on the trails, and probably another week or two it'll melt, but there's some good bare spots as well. It was a good ride, really good ride. The trails are awesome. He's good. There he goes.
Oh my God.
I don't know if the video will do justice, but
well, we just stopped to take a break here, and we had to stop earlier just to break some branches and trees so we could fit the side-by-side under. I'm the only one with a side-by-side. But we're heading into Apsley. Gonna have some pizza, but we got a lot of trail to see along the way. This area was devastated last May with a lot of high winds, and it's been cleared. This trail was blocked, but it's been cleared now, and you'll see all the logs they have stacked up close to the road. Okay, now we're about 15 minutes from Apsley. Here we are at Hunter's General Store picking up our pizza, and we're gonna have a quick lunch. This was a really good part of the trail. It's a trail that follows alongside the road to get to the trail where those logs were, and there's a lot of ups and downs and turns and twists and water. It was a really cool part of the trail, and it was icy. just waiting here for Fred to test out the water so we can continue. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
Just crossing the trail here. There we go. Look at the deer, guys. I just decided to stop here and have a piss. A beautiful deer right there, and I'll bet you there's more right behind it. This is so cool. We've seen over, well, at least we've seen a dozen deer today. This here, I think, is the group we just saw before, a couple minutes ago, and there's like 5 of them. Everybody's waiting for me. They don't realize I'm seeing deer still. There he goes. Well, that's the end of our ride for today. It was a good ride. We put on, how many kilometers we put on? I don't even know. We put on quite a bit. We went to Apsley, we had pizza, we come back, we saw lots of deer. Just a great day on the trails, a lot of ruts on the trails, but it was still fun. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.